Brother and sister, this holiday season, don't let time or money hold you back. I will show you the possibility of earning up to $900 a day following a 2-hour work day. This proven system is simple, accessible, and also perfect for anyone in the diaspora that are looking to earn some extra cash fast. This system is created by a self-made millionaire, and you can get access to it, and it can truly help you also. And it can help you earn unlimited $900 a day. Even we have 4 products that you can own a master resale right, where you can earn anywhere between $100 to $900 per sales, and you earn 100% profit. My name is Francois Kabore, and I am currently living in Lisbon. I left my home country a few years ago, and I know it's not easy, and what it is like to juggle with limited time and also with the big goal that we all have, especially when you are living overseas and working also abroad. So, and trying to support your family member back home. So that is why I started using this online business system, and I also recommend you do the same. And it can truly transform your financial situation. So this program have everything that you need to be able to succeed online. And you have a step-by-step training. You also have a ready-to-go marketing material that you can use. And also we have a supportive community that can keep you motivated. And the best part is you don't need any previous experience. So anyone from any country can get started following the step-by-step blueprint that we have. So imagine being able to afford gift to your family member, or also book a flight to go back home anytime you want to visit your family member or friend. So all while working less and earning more with this program. And I'm going to share with you that it is possible. You will see some earning proof or statement inside our community. We have grown to over 46,000 members. We are getting close to 47,000 members. So you can be part of also with our community. And the goal is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. And you can see today is Thursday, the 11th of December 2024. So first, earning disclaimer. For any online or offline business, there is no guarantee that anyone will make money. Individual results may vary, but it is possible to duplicate similar results or even greater than what we are going to see in this video. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. You can read it later, the income disclaimer. And while we keep moving, you can see this is inside our community. I took a screenshot this few minutes before I start to record this video. I'm going to highlight this one here. You can see this is Daryl. That was 11 hours ago. He posted in our community. So he earned $1,000 in 1 day. He said he had a $1,000 today. That is all. Carry on automation. So you put the screenshot here also, and you can see with our automated online business, you can also get your own, and you don't need to create any product. So we already have some ready-made and best-selling product, digital product that you can own by getting a master reseller, where you can resell them using our sales machine, the Freedom Machine. You get the Freedom Machine completely free. So you have everything you need, all step by step. So you need a minimum of 2 hours a day to run this business from any country. So you can see this is a Shana. 19 hours ago, she also posted. She woke up to a $900 commission. You can see here. She said, I woke up this morning to a $900 sale. I joined Mastermind a few weeks ago and told myself that if I could at least make 1 sales per month, it will justify this amazing opportunity within the Mastermind program. and God has provided. So you can see here, the $900 product is our best selling product that you can own, and you can resell it unlimited time. So we have 4 products also in different level, so you can own all of them, and you can earn unlimited commission from all 4 products that you will have access to. And everything is, you will be learned all step by step inside our community, and also the program give you everything step by step. It's truly amazing. And let's keep moving. You can see some more here. Melina posted 12 hours ago. So this is what she said: another stress-free payout of $3,600. Facebook is my best friend, she said. The fact that I can make this kind of money without having to show my face all that time is so freeing. Clarity in what you offer and consistency in your messaging is the key to organically attracting people to your profile. The more eyes on what you have to offer and the more curiosity you create, the more you will jump at the chance to get info from you. And the more people ask for your info, inevitably, the more people hit buy now on repeat. And she said, I went from losing my main source of income as a burnt out music coach to making 4-figure a week through this program. So I am so grateful. She said, I pray for a breakthrough like this early this year. God is so good. And Tony also posted 8 hours ago. He was also able to earn $900 today while at work. This business is amazing, he said. Congratulations. Let's move on. We have some more to see. And so you can do the same by learning to earn. This is a learn to earn program. We have here a 5 hours ago, Keen posted another payment notification. He said here another $900 ding. Another person able to be blessed by this great life-changing opportunity. Looking forward to seeing them win. Keep going, keep being a blessing. Travi also posted, that was 22 hours ago. He earned $2,700 in one day. Super excited. Yesterday I had a $2,700 day. Was able to sell 3 digital legacy builder in one day. You can see that is he got 3 sales of $900 product. The $900 is our best selling product. So this is why he earned this money in one day. So you can see earning are unlimited. And we also have $100 product, $300 and a $600 product. All, if you start at the $900 level, you will own all the lowest 3 products included. So you will get access to 4 income streams, where if someone join you at any of the 4 level, you earn that money 100% profit straight to your bank account. You can see this is a one-time investment business, and you can own this product forever, and you can resell them over and over. You see, congratulations. Let's see some more. Here we have Zerom. That was 10 hours ago. The Zerom posted inside our win tab. Here you can see 10 hours ago. He also earned a $900 in one day. A foggy day in Boise today. We live off the grid, so I had to go out and start the generator. When I came back, there was a $900 sales alert. Keep learning, keep sharing, be consistent, and it will come. you have to participate relentlessly in the manifestation of your own blessing. So Elizabeth Gilbert quote here. So you can see, so the $900 product is our best-selling product. You can see people are earning that right here below. Bishop also posted 13 hours ago. So $900 payment notification while exercising on the tonal, fitness gain, and financial gain all at the same time today. $900 again today while hitting the tonal. Let grow. Congratulations. We move on. Jenny posted also 8 hours ago, $1,800 earned in one day. So that is 2 sales of the $900 product that she got. So Michelle webinar are pure gold. Tonight, 2 people are invited to Michelle webinar. Sign up for the legacy program. Michelle and her guest speaker make it so easy for people to see the value and say yes and purchase. So her webinar are pure gold, she said. Her message continued. So when you get access to this program, so you will get master reseller, right? Is one-time investment of $900 plus a $29 one-time also fee for the website to be created for you. That the website fee is $29, but the main product is $900. It gives you access to 4 income stream where you can resell unlimited time. You can start at any level, but you can always upgrade. You can start at the $100 or the $300 or the $600 level, but it's better if you can just start at the $900 level. Then that way you have higher percentage of earning, better commission. So it depends of your goal and your dream, but I am at the $900 product level. So I recommend if you can start at that level because you can fast start your business. You can see when you start to promote this business, you will also be able to invite people to the webinar that Michelle, our leader, she's a self-made millionaire. She created this business and she's sharing with all of us. So you will also be able to be trained by a millionaire inside our community. We have a community where we get the training, daily training inside. Is amazing. So it recommend you don't miss out on this. Her goal is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. You could be one of them if you take action today. You can see here Angie, 8 hours ago, she also posted. She said, got my first sales today, $100 commission. You can see this. Someone purchased the $300 product from her. She earned $300 commission. So 6 days into this program from my very first post, and I got my first sales today. Congratulations to Angie and to everyone. You can see. So it's a proof that it is working. It can work for you also. Okay, let's move on. This is my goal to help you also to become your own boss and to work less and earn more money, to earn a minimum of $2,000 to over $5,000 per month, to have more time freedom to do whatever you want, to travel whenever and wherever you want. This is my goal to help you start your own digital business today. You will get access to our private community. You can see here we are getting close to 47,000 members. This one I updated like about 2 days ago. We are growing by 100 people a day. Today we should be at like 46,800 members so far. So I will update on my next video for you to see. We will have reached 47,000 members. So this is the best place to be, and that is why I got started, because I know living abroad is not easy. So if I don't find something to do to help me to earn some additional income, so it's not easy to fulfill my goal and my dream. Same to you also, anyone that is abroad or anyone that wants to earn some additional income. this program is for you also. So, but as us that are living overseas, we need something like this that can help us to be able to balance our life, to be able to provide for our family, and also for our goal and dream to be also fulfilled. So that is why I'm sharing this with you, and I hope it can truly help you also to learn by starting your own digital business. And if this video, if you find it helpful, please give me a like, and also please subscribe to support the growth of my channel. I look forward to working with you, and if you would like to learn more on how you can get started and how you can follow the same blueprint and created by a self-made millionaire, so my website address is below in the description box of this video, or in the comment section also. If you want, you can just put ready, then I will send you the details as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.